This thing does glide with ease. That's crazy. All right, back on track. Shout out to Derek Larson, but he told me about not tightening these things so tight that you like can't move it on the handlebars. Like, you want it to be tight, of course, but you want to be able to like bounce it around. You know, say you drop your bike or something, you want to be able to knock it back. Okay, now that the lever's installed, you're gonna want to go ahead and now reinstall your clutch cable. It should still be loose.